machine to make drinks, cakes, salad dressing, and snacks. I got this from Target on sale for $24.99. This is Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender with 4 attachments. I'm going to unbox it. This is the 3 cups with measurement, and this is the lid, and this is 3 cup chopping board with the lid. This is the whisk with the connect. This is the wand, and this is the motor. I'm gonna make strawberry smoothie, and here are the ingredients. We got a Greek yogurt, we got fresh strawberry, and we got a milk. And I'm gonna use the hand blender one, and we're gonna make strawberry smoothie in this cup. Let's connect this motor and with this blender one. So make sure that the label is in the middle of these 2 lock and unlock. In the middle, we plug in, hit the sign, and to lock it, so we turn this way and make sure it's tight. And to unlock it, turn counterclockwise and take it out. Here's this hand blender wand. I'm gonna start from the low speed. So for the strawberry smoothie, let's put some in there first. Fresh strawberry dice, Greek yogurt. Milk. Let's test this. And I'm gonna use the low speed first. So put it in. Turn on the power. Good, very powerful. And try the high speed. Okay, the rest ingredients: strawberry, yogurt, milk. Start with the low speed. We hold it. And we change to high speed. Use the hand blender. 30 seconds for low speed and 30 seconds for high speed. Here's the strawberry smoothie. Taste this. Excellent strawberry smoothie. Not too sweet. That's an excellent drink. I'll use this 3 cup chopping board to make sorbet. And sorbet I'm gonna use. This is the frozen ripe banana slice, and this is the frozen strawberry dice. We're going to connect the motor to this cover, and this label is in between of these 2 lock and unlock. Put it in. So we turn this way, we click, that's lock, and pull, make sure lock. Unlock it, turn the other side, and take it out. The maximum line, I'm here in this bowl, so make sure the food is not over this maximum line. So we're going to put this in. So we're going to put banana first. There's the banana. then we're going to put the strawberry. We're going to use the high. So we'll put this in the machine. This is the 3-cup chopping board. So low for 15 seconds and high for 30 seconds. And we got this banana strawberry sorbet. And no sugar and no water added. Let's taste this. Great smell. Excellent taste. Just like the ice cream. Very good. Use this whisk to make a cake. And here are the ingredients. There are 2 eggs. This is the egg yolk. This is the egg white. This is the sugar. This is grapeseed oil. This is milk. This is flour. Make whisk and connector. Just force it all the way in. Make sure it's secure. And then connect this with the motor. Again, the label is in between these two. And turn this. You hit the click. Make sure it's locked. Take it out. The other side. And take it out. Strain the flour by using the sieve. Put it in. Shake it. Shake it. So hot oil, microwave for 30 seconds. Put it in. Stir egg yolk inside. Mix well. The milk. Stir it. Mix well. The whisk, use the low speed. Put the egg white here. And then we're going to add the sugar. We're going to put 1/3 at a time. So 1/3 of the sugar in there. And we're going to whisk to mix well to the low speed. After mix well with this, we're going to put it back to egg white. Put everything back to egg white, then we're going to mix well. Put it into the container. Taste the cake. Great smell. Soft. Very good. Drink smoothie. Good dessert. After using Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender with full attachment by cooking several recipes, here are the pros and cons. Pros are easy to use and clean. It is lightweight with affordable price for small size of cooking. I can do chopping, grinding, mixing, and whisking activities. Cons are limited to certain cooking recipes. It only has 2 speeds, low and high. handle motor will be too hot to use after over 2 minutes operation. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.